Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Jasmine and today I'm going to be showing you my quick natural look. This is the Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. It's a neutral medium and I like to just dot it under my eyes. And I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques Targeting Blending Brush. And I'm just going to stipple that all the way around my eye to hide the discoloration and just blend it out. Go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. I'm just going to put it in my inner corners there and blend it out just to add a more natural color under my eyes. Don't want it to be too bright. I do want it to blend in with my natural skin color. And like you see here, I'm using the Real Techniques Target Blending Brush again. Right here I'm going to go in with my Sigma Large Powder Brush and the Balm Bahama Mama Bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze up my skin. I do want to look like I have a little bit of color. So I'm going to go in and do that with my forehead, my cheekbones, under my chin. Then I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques brush and blend out a little bit and use my ring finger. You want to use your ring finger because it applies the least amount of pressure. And I'm just going to blend out the concealer further. This is going to help with the concealer not to crease. I'm going to go in with the Morphe brush. It has no name on it, and the Estee Lauder powder in light medium. And I'm just going to set the concealer around my eye just to prevent from creasing and to apply more coverage. This Estee Lauder powder is going to apply more coverage under the eyes, and it is going to mattify and set that concealer. After blending with the brush, I'm going to go in with my ring finger and just blend that concealer down into the bronzer. It just makes it look a little bit more natural. I'm going to go in with the F30 brush and the Estee Lauder powder in light medium, and I'm going to set my face, and this is going to help keep my face matte all day, sweat proof, and blend in the bronzer with my concealer, make it a little more natural. Then I'm going to go in with that Morphe brush again, the no name brush, and just blend out my under eyes. I do have fine lines under there, so it does need to be set over and over again throughout the makeup process. So then I'm going to move in with my eyelash curler from Shiseido and just curl my lashes because they do grow straight, and prepare them for a mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise-Blackest Black, and I love this stuff. It makes my lashes so long and holds the curl and makes them look really, really dark. So I love it. It's a steal. Is brows. I'm using the E29, the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, and the colors are Faint and Crave. I'm going to outline the base of my brows and just blend in those colors into the brow hairs, combing them the way that they grow, and outlining the areas where I need to add some definition. And I have a lot of sparse areas in my brows, so just coloring them in with powder gives them a natural look, makes them a little bit more natural and look fuller. I like to use powders. It's just more forgiving, makes my brows look a little bit more natural and filled in. I'm just going to comb through them, blend them out, and clean them up. Here I am looking frantically for my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara so I can add another coat. I'm gonna go in with that one more time and add another coat and build up my lashes. Since I'm not applying falsies, I like to emphasize on the mascara. I'm going in with a mascara, and this is by Clinique, and I'm putting that into my brows. It's gonna set my brows and add a little bit of texture. Don't feel like you have to use a certain product on a certain part of your face just because it says to do so. Next, I'm gonna go in with the fiber powder brush, the C426 by Morphe with the Milani Luminoso blush, and I'm putting that all over my face just to add a little bit of color. I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F blush brush and the Balm-Mary-Lou Manizer. This is a highlighter. I love it. It's my go-to. I'm just applying that all to the high points of my face. And I'm gonna apply it with that Morphe brush in my inner corner just to highlight that area and open up the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop-Creme gel liner. This is a collaboration with Kathleen Lights in the color Mr. Bing, and I just love the red tone in this liner. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna blend it down to my lash line with my finger, and I'm gonna go in and intensify it after that. Next, I'm going in with the Telescopic Carbon Black by Loreal, and I like this mascara for my lower lash line because it's a really skinny brush, and it does make my lower lash line really dramatic. So I only use this on my lower lash line. Going in with the Luxi angled brush and the Bahama Mama, and I'm adding that to my eyelids. I felt like I needed a little bit more color there, and yeah, I'm using that as my all over eyeshadow, blending out a little bit more contour on my nose area, forehead, and my cheekbones. And then I'm gonna go in with whatever powder is left on that powder brush and blend everything together and blend out my eyebrows one more time. And with the spoolie, I'm gonna clean up any areas where I got a little bit of mascara, and this is a hack that I found works really well. And I'm gonna go in with that Morphe brush and the highlighter one more time and emphasize that inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlighter. Blend out with your finger again. Don't be scared to use your fingers. And I'm gonna go in with the rose water. I found this from TJ Maxx, and I've been using it and loving it. Got a little bit of my mouth there, but I like it for highlighting setting the face. So I love this balm because it keeps my lips hydrated. It gives me a tint to my lips. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and share this video with your family and friends, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.